Cameraman here. A couple hours ago, Boom decided to post a new leak to the merch store without any notice. And with this new crazy leak that adds some context to the last 3 leaks we received, I think we can safely assume that the next episode will be coming out very soon. Because as you guys might remember, I asked Boom when the episode 72 part 1 would come out in my last leak analysis, and his response was that only 2 to 3 days of work was left. And since we got a new leak just now that was posted to the merch store, even though this is not confirmed in any way, it'll be safe to assume that the next episode will be coming tomorrow if everything goes right. And before I go ahead and show you this new leak, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you don't want to miss the analysis when episode 72 part 1 comes out. Anyways, here we go. As you guys know, Boom already showed us about 3 leaks and also answered a bunch of questions because it's been a while since a new episode came out. So this new leak isn't something crazy new, but it actually adds on to one of the leaks we've seen. The first thing you'll notice if you try to download this new leak will be the file name, because it actually says the name that Boom decided to give this toilet, and many people have been calling him Police Mutant Toilet or Mutant Police Toilet, which includes me as well, but Boom named the file SWAT Skibidi Mutant 72. This means we might have to call him SWAT Mutant Toilet or something similar, and if we move on to the actual leak, as you can see on the screen, this leak is once again of the new Mutant Police Toilet that we saw, but this time his shield is not covering his face, and we can actually see his whole body, and holy moly, bro, is actually stacked. It's not just the fact that he is tacked, but besides everything that's going on in the background, which I'll get into in a moment, it looks like both the police toilets and the mutant toilets have been improving a lot. We keep seeing upgraded versions of police toilets and mutant toilets. Even in episode 71, the Buzzsaw mutant toilet looked a lot stronger than before, and he seemed like he had a bigger presence than before. It looks the same here as well, and his grin literally shows this to be true. Bro has 4 rockets, a whole shield, and even a weapon in his hand. It's not clear what type of weapon he is carrying, but it does look like a scythe, just like Death himself, and the weapon does look like the weapon that the wolf had, in Puss in Boots. Even the symbols on the weapon are almost the same as much as we can see. We'll most likely watch him demolish a bunch of cameramen in the next episode. Now, if we look behind at the destruction, we'll be able to see that the shielded helicopter toilets we saw on the earlier leaks are a group of helicopter toilets, and not just one. And as I mentioned in my last video, their fates are already sealed, and they'll all most likely be dying just because they are helicopter toilets. One thing in this image that remains a secret are the 2 weird gray-looking toilets in the sky. About these, they might be some rendering issue or just some toilets we haven't seen, but they don't have choppers, so I don't even know. It could be anything. Hopefully we'll get to watch this crazy episode tomorrow. Elite Cameraman out.